Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 LT. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.0-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 168,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, power windows, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, tow hooks, airbags, anti-lock brakes, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.